Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO A98. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart. So just switch it off at the Bluetooth connection and switch it on again. To restart it, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume up. Now just swipe to the restart and look for the device again. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated Pyre mode. How to do it you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices but still not for your phone, go to the settings, choose the connection sharing, and now just look for the, or maybe not, sorry about that, go to the Bluetooth and click on the 3-line button. Now choose more settings and now just try to manage this function. Just try to enable one of them, two of them, etc. Just try the virus setups. Okay, after that you can also try the additional settings and look for the restart. Backup and reset. Now choose the reset phone, and how you can see there have another settings and the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on it, configure your code, pattern, etc. and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your system updates. If you have any updates of your system, just try to download it and install. After that, look for the device again. To do it, just look for the OPPO device, tap on the ColorOS, and now just look for the updates. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.